This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a demat and trading account if you don't already have one. Provide PAN, Aadhaar and bank details, and complete eKYC. This verifies identity quickly. Choose a broker based on fees, platform stability, and customer service. Make sure the app supports NSE/BSE trading. Once the account is active, link your bank for seamless transfers and enable UPI or net banking. Fund the trading account with the exact amount you plan to use. This avoids failed orders and keeps margins clear. You now place the trade. Open your broker app and search Reliance on NSE/BSE to view live quotes. Decide whether to use a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control price. Use stop loss if you want risk protection. Enter quantity and review required margin plus brokerage, GST, and SEBI charges. These affect total cost. Confirm the order and authenticate with UPI or app PIN. After submission, monitor order status. Partial fills happen, so be ready to adjust or cancel remaining quantity. You finish by confirming the execution. Check trade confirmation and the broker's contract note for price, quantity, and charges. Ensure shares reflect in your demat. T+2 settlement means holdings appear after 2 business days. Manage your position, set alerts, review dividends and income tax implications, and decide exit strategy. If something goes wrong, first check order status and bank transfer, then reconcile contract note with bank debit. If discrepancies remain, contact broker support immediately with screenshots and transaction ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.